Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks again for dropping by. In today's video, we'll create a simple booking form and then we'll make it editable or fillable. The term editable in the PDF printable world is a bit of a misnomer. Typically, editable means that blank fields on the document can be filled in on screen prior to printing, but existing text that is part of your original design cannot be edited. Printable, on the other hand, means that you can open up this file in your computer, iPhone, iPad, or Android device with Adobe PDF Reader, Foxit Reader, or any other PDF reader, but cannot fill in the fields by typing. You can only print it. And we'll be using InDesign for this, and don't worry, it's very easy. So follow along till the end and try not to skip so you don't miss any steps. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll get notified when I post videos like this. For my subscribers, I'm forever grateful for your support. All right, let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, so now I'm in InDesign. Just go to More Presets, or you can also do File, New Document, or Create New. Just go to Presets, and then I'm going to use 6 by 9 inches, or you can use whatever size you want. And for my orientation, I'll use vertical, or that's going to be portrait. And for my margins, I will use 0.5 inches top, bottom, and the sides. Then just click on the Create button. So now that we're here, I'm just going to load my swatches. If you want to learn how to create new swatch, just let me know down in the comments below and I will make a tutorial for you for that. And then I've already created this one before, so maybe I'll just use this one. And then I go to rectangle tool. I create this rectangle over here. And then I'm just going to change maybe to pale taupe. Okay, all right. So make sure that it's an overprint preview so I don't see any lines on any elements that I create. You can click on Type Tool for the text, or you can also hit letter T on your keyboard. So I'm just going to put this here and just do booking. So I'm just holding Shift Command Option and while dragging this. So double click on the text and change the text color, that, and then hit T again and type in your text and coffins. Alright, I'm just going to do that again. This is a bit. Okay. Alright. Change the color again to white. And center it. Okay, now I'm going to go to Table, Create Table, and I'm going to have 4. And for columns, I'll type 2. Then I'll just do this. And I'm going to change the weight for my table. I don't want it thick, so I'll just do 0.5. That's it. And this I merge. This I merge. For this one, I'll change the color. So it's nice if you have a sort of swatch for every color, color shade or shades of colors that you want, because it's really, really easy to mix colors that way. So I'm going to do this again. Oh wait, I'll just do a character and then do that. I'm going to use the same character here with a smaller size. Maybe 12. I have a tutorial on how to create character styles. Right, this would be client information. Sorry, I'll just go to character again and change the character color. Here. Go. Like this, but I want this smaller. Maybe the name, email, phone, address. So that's for client information. Now I'm just holding my Alt or Option key, and then just drag it. This is an easier way to copy paste or duplicate objects or elements. Event information, event name, and the event. Or just resize this. Command 9, because I want to insert a row below, just one. Then hit OK. Appointment hour, starting hour. Make this a little bit smaller. So now that I have that, next would be another table. Maybe I'll do 5 rows or 6 rows and 4 columns. Change the table line weight and go to character and then character style. Just click this here again. I was using barely here. Person, services. I'm just going to add, I forgot, I will have to add 3 more rows below, and this from here to here, this one, no color, so it would look like this. And I'm going to do move it with colors, and there you go. Now I'm just going to put something here. No color. 0.5 for the line. It's going to be black. And then I'll hit this yellow over here and change it to something like a rounded one. And I'm just going to copy this over here, change the color to black, change the size, notes, and then make it centered. Something like this, so put it in the center, and then I'm going to change the background of this to paper, so it would look something like this. That'll be the notes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again. Date. Signature. Maybe put the signature in. Use this. Black. And then resize. Copy this. Okay, so I think that's done. Let's see, preview it. I think that's okay. You can do better than this. So now we're gonna make this one editable. So what we're gonna do is just have this text, just do something like this. So you have the text here. So what you're gonna do, just right click and then interactive, and you can convert this to anything. So for this one, we need text field. Click on convert to text field. And now you have this window. It's going to be printable. This would be required because we need to put something in here. It can be scrollable and multi-line. So multi-line, which means you can have as many lines as you want here. And you can also change the font if you like. All right, so now that you have that, all you have to do is copy this to all of your text fields, right? You have to copy it one by one. So see, if you have this on your file, that means that's editable. so I've made everything here fillable. All right, so now once you're satisfied with your design and everything, you have already all of this stuff completed. All you have to do is go to File, Export, or you can also do Command or Control E. Do that. And then just title this booking form and make sure that it's Adobe PDF Interactive. And then just click on Save. And then I'm just going to click View after exporting because I want to show you how it looks like. And then just export. All right, so now it opens up on my Acrobat Reader because this is my default PDF reader. If your default is Preview, or if you're in Magnets Preview, then it will show up on Preview. But you can open your interactive PDF in Acrobat Reader or Preview or whatever PDF reader that you have. So now, as you can see here, these are the text boxes or the editable, fillable text boxes that we've just created. And you can enter whatever name that you want here and all that stuff. So there you go. And if you save this, just hit Control S or Command S to do that again. And if I open it again, it's still there. So you can print this, but don't worry, it won't, this blue ones here, the text boxes, it won't show in your printed file. This is just Acrobat Reader's way of showing you that this one is fillable. I think it preferences there's a way to get rid of this while you're editing. So for mine, this is just a default. I'm not messing around with this. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you'll use this trick on your next project. And if you found this useful, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe if you haven't done that already. And really appreciate your help, and keep watching, keep learning, and I'll see you soon. Bye!